Want the perfect accommodation to feel at home? Look no further because we've got the goods. Bridge Street Exchange Student Accommodation. Located at the heart of Cardiff City Centre, Bridge Street Exchange offers a stunning range of en-suites and studios designed with student living in mind. Each room here is fully furnished with everything you need to feel comfortable and at ease, including a cozy double bed, study desk, wardrobe, an ensuite shower room, and ample storage space. Need to blow off some steam? Just hit the fully equipped gym, or maybe unwind at the spacious lounge area. Feeling adventurous? Try out the karaoke room for those impromptu singing sessions with your roomies. Want some fresh air? Head out to the outdoor courtyard and take in the stunning views of Cardiff while enjoying a cup of coffee or hot chocolate. Plus, getting to class on time is a breeze with the University of South Wales Cardiff campus and Cardiff University just minutes away. When the weekend hits, explore the endless array of shops, restaurants, and bars that Cardiff has to offer. Don't miss out on the ultimate university experience with the Bridge Street Exchange. Hurry and book your spot now at amberstudent.com.